We come to see alpacas!
Yes, in Thailand there is a little paradise.
Alpacas and sheep wander freely, soft, gentle, and full of charm.
You can play with them, feed them, and just soak in the love.
Enjoy the breathtaking mountain view and breathe in the fresh air.
It's truly heaven on earth.
Tickets are only 200 baht, like something $7, and this is one-of-kind experience you'll never forget.
For the location, just comment Alpaca and we will send it to you.
Just follow us for more real, unexpected wonders of Thailand.